Hello, this is a quick video on how to repair a reel of strapping. It's very common for companies to mess up reels of strapping. They remove the retaining straps before they put them on the machine, and that tends to cause what we affectionately call spaghetti. Now this reel has a wear spot. This strapping had traveled a lot and it moved, and in moving the reels rubbed together and caused a funky little spot here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpack this reel. So this is what the operator does, the inexperienced operator, is they cut the straps and then they'll take the retaining plastic, if the reel has it, off, and then they'll try and put it on the machine. That really causes a lot of issues. At this point, it's very easy. Now this reel actually has some coming off that way. That's not a problem, because it's on the inside near the reel, so I can just cut that off. That won't inhibit what I'm trying to do here. What I'm worried about, or what happens and causes trouble for people, is when this happens. Oh, and then they start to get like 3 or 4 leads off of both sides like that. And a lot of people are like, well, what do I do with this? Put your hand through, like I have mine, holding with your fingers around the core, and just put the strap up on an angle like this. Do a little bit on one side, then turn it, do a little bit on the other side, and pretty much now on this reel I'm going to do it until that first layer of strap is completely off, and that goes down deep enough to get rid of the scuff mark. You just keep doing it until you get one lead. And once you get one lead coming off, you'll see all of a sudden you'll do it. I'm going to do a little bit further because I want to get rid of the scuff mark that I got going on here. See how the strap is kind of sticking on that? This is a perfectly good reel of strap, and with the price of strap these days, doing nothing but going up like a rocket ship, it's worth it. Now a lot of people look at the strap on the ground, and I've had guys say, well, yeah, but you're wasting half the reel. Now if you weigh that, that probably weighs less than a pound. A reel weighs 25 pounds. So you do the math, it's not a lot of strap being wasted to save the rest of the reel. Maybe less than 5%. So just do this until you got a nice layer of strap on the top. This one, now this is a lot more than is necessary. If all you've got is spaghetti, then you don't need to go this deep. I'm just going to get rid of this scuff here, because the scuff might cause cotton as it goes through the strapping machine. Now, in normal circumstances, what you do now is put this right on the machine. If it's a small machine like this, a semi-automatic, remember to come off the top of the reel. A lot of people will bring it off the bottom of the reel. If you have a brake arm, the brake doesn't work when you come off the bottom of the reel. If you don't have a machine, if you have one of these and you want to save the strap for later use, take a nice little piece of cardboard. This, you don't have to use the cardboard, but I like it. It looks nice. This is 10 inch by 1.5 inches. Put the cardboard on your machine right over the slot. Just put the strap up through. If you have an automatic machine like a Mosca, this won't work because you can't put the strap through the reel. See how nice that cinches it up? And as you're doing this, be careful not to knock the strap off the edge with your fingers. That's the easiest part of doing that. Picking it up to move it, you can knock the strap off the edge, and then you'll have to start all over again. You can also put tape on it. My problem with tape is that when you go to remove the tape, you'll knock the strap off the edge as you're trying to put it on your machine. And at that point, you would have been better off just waiting and to fix the reel as you're installing it on your machine. So, in summary, we're just going to hold it like that until you get one lead, put it on the machine, put your outer reel on, tighten it down, and you're ready to go. That's it. Thank you for watching.